So once you log in, you will get this page. You first need to click on apply for task. You will get one task here, and once you apply, you can go to my work. You have to click here. Okay, the audio will get uploaded. So here you have to create the segment and you have to write. Okay. So how to create a segment? You need to create a segment in three circumstances. One, if there is a speaker 1, if there is speaker 2, and third will be if there is a pause or a silence or a sound of more than 20 seconds. In three circumstances you have to create the segments. So here I'll just play. You can just click here, start the play and the pause. Okay, or else you can just click here and play it.
Good afternoon.
So this is the first speaker I can see from here till here. So you just have to click here. This is the first segment. Okay, here is the writing pad. You have to write good afternoon. This is Naira. No punctuations required. Okay, this is the first segment we have created. This is effective, and you have to select the identity. This is the agent 1. This is the agent 1, right? So you have to write agent 1 here. You have to select agent 1 and simply click enter. So once you click enter, the first segment is done now. Okay, now you have to create the second segment. Why we are creating second segment? Because there is another speaker. This is the customer. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to check, click here anywhere.
Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM using the website, but good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM.
Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write here what the second speaker said. Good afternoon. I am trying to book my road test through RTO website. So whatever the speaker is saying, you have to write, and you can segment size is just 9 seconds. Okay, the minimum size could be anything for single speaker. The maximum it can go up to 20 seconds. So you can click again here.
Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test.
If this is a same speaker, if this is a same speaker, and the segment can go up to 20 seconds, right? So here it is 16.85. I'll just check and just listen and check if the speaker is same.
Using the website, but every slot I pick, I'm getting an error that someone has asked. Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my. Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM. Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM using the website, but
so here I can hear agent said okay, right? So what you have to do, you have to create segment here.
I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM.
And here the agent said okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road test with RTM.
you need to click enter the segment. Okay, so here it is customer 1.
Good afternoon. I'm trying to.
Okay, so we hear the agent said okay, so we will write agent 1 and we'll write okay here. We'll create another segment. The segment we will enter and the segment will get created, and from here we can see the customer is again started speaking, and till where it will speak you have to create a segment. But in case if there is a pause of more than 20 or up to 20 seconds, more than 20 seconds, you have to create a pause segment, a silent segment of that particular segment which is more than 20 seconds, right? So this is how you have. For an example here,
Using the website, but every slot I click, I'm getting an error that someone has already booked the slot, even though I see the seat empty.
okay, the size of the segment is 10 seconds, is fine, can be done. I'll just check if this portion is set by agent or a speaker or a customer.
Using the website, but every slot I click, I'm getting an error that someone has already booked the slot, even though I see the seat empty.
So till here the customer speak. Okay, so I'll write customer. I'm just writing it short. You have to write the complete sentence. Just enter the segment created. Now you have to create. You have to take this silent portion in the customer part because it is less than 20 seconds. This silent portion is less than 20 seconds. So you have to take into the speaker segments, right?
Sikandar.
Okay, here it is agent, and you have to write this. Okay, so I missed one more thing. I have not mentioned this tag. Okay.
Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final
you can hear
road
that,
taxi
right?
Good afternoon. I'm trying to book my final road taxi RTM.
So whatever the speaker said, oh, you have to write HM. You have to give this tag. Okay, just listen to again.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Again, he has taken this filler, right, interjections. So you have to give, and you have to give space after this, right? Just check again.
I'm trying to book my final road taxi RTM using the website, but
that's fine, and we'll just enter it. So we have done with the tag. Okay, in case you want to delete or you can edit, you just simply click on edit. Simply you can see delete. Okay, and if you delete any portion, say like if you want to delete this segment, okay, you can just delete and you can just recreate again. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can just come back to us again.